right now. Okay, so I'll click on the sign up button, continue with Google. Okay, so I'll choose a different email so I can have about 1 million credits when you create a new account. All right, so can continue. Okay, so we are in. Okay, so this is where I will type my prompt. I want to actually build something a bit different this time around. It's going to be a mobile application, Flutter app. Okay, with I want to build a game. Okay, so let's see how it goes. A war game. All right, so build me a war game with multi-dimensional scenery. Um, Great multi uh, realistic experience. I'm not a game person, so I'm just trying to put words together that the AI will use and create a plan for me. All right, so build me a war game with multi-dimensional scenery and create a multi-realistic experience. Um, Create different levels and different users. Each user, or let me say users can unlock different levels, and there are even more sophisticated enemies as they unlock new levels and are rewarded accordingly and are rewarded accordingly. Okay, so with this, it's not very detailed, but I can start building with this. So let me copy this and keep somewhere and supply this prompt to Rocket.New. By the way, while that is going on, Rocket.New is $25 per month. They will give you 5 million tokens. All right, for this free account that I just created, you are given only 1 million tokens. All right, and for this, oops, how do I do that? Okay, I just did something wrong there. By the way, Rocket.New also has templates. All right, ready-made templates that you can use in starting up your project. When I select mobile, I'm going back to my project. I just need to show you this before we move on. All right, so if you want to build something related to calories, baby growth, and so on, field service. These are mobile apps. All right, any of gym management, habit tracker, and so on. I'm going back to that project. Laundry, meal planner, meditation, music player. I want to build a music player like Boom Play. All right. Pet care. You can just use this their template and start up your application. But the one I wanted to start right away was not a template, was rather I'm building from scratch. All right. So this is pregnancy tracker. You can build that podcast player. Man, this is good. You can just be building this and be publishing it and making money off it. You just build, publish, drive traffic to it, get people to download it, and boom, money comes in. All right, travel requests, to-do list. This is a taxi booking app. All right, this is very cool. Just like your Bolt application, your Uber application, voice recorder, workout trainer, all right, that monitors your workout sessions for you. All right, so I think I lost what I was trying to do before, just because I wanted to show you guys the what is it called? I wanted to show you guys the pricing of this platform, which is $25. One thing I like about this platform is that it is very accurate in what it builds for you. All right, you really have errors. Okay, so here we have pasted that prompt again for it to use as get started. Let's see what it does. It's thinking. Okay, so these are when it finishes analyzing what you want to build, like it has done here, it will give you options to choose for this free plan, to give you option to choose what you want to build. I certainly can help you with that. Just let me know what you want like to be. I want to build a mobile app. All right. Then so let's confirm. So it will give you to think and give you another option to select the screens that you want to build. That'll be a war game using Flutter, okay? It uses Flutter. By the way, in building a mobile application, especially cross-platform application, you can use, when I say cross-platform, I mean apps that can be deployed on Android, on iOS, iPhone users, on even on web, all right? And deploy it to speed across different platforms. All right. You can use Flutter to build it. Flutter uses a programming language called Dart, D-A-R-T. You can use React Native to build it. That's another option. All right. React Native is built on JavaScript, programming language. Right. So, but this particular platform uses Flutter. All right. They don't do React Native. I made an attempt to do React Native, but they couldn't do it. Okay. They said they don't have that option. All right. But when we come to using platforms like Cursor, Augment Code, Anti-Gravity, we can build React Native, we can build Flutter, we can even build native applications, native with programming languages like Kotlin, right? We can use Objective-C to build it. We'll get to that. But in this particular tutorial, we are building with Flutter. Now it's giving us options to choose the screens that we want to build. All right. So we are, of course, the splash screen. It's like the welcome screen. Is compulsory. Menu hub. Okay. Game battle scene. Now notice something. They may not build all these screens for us. All right. I think it's usually limited to 1, 2, 3, 4, the first 6. Yes, I said it. So once you want to build more than 6 screens, it will tell you to pay. So Rocket limits you to 6 screens. All right, 6 screens. You can't build more than that on the free plan. If you want to build more, they will ask you to pay. Because if you have a serious project, there's nothing wrong with paying 25 USD and building your stuff and it comes out well. Okay, so for this free plan, let's click on next and allow the guy to get to work. Okay, working, working on your request. So it's telling us the progress. I'm working on your request. Splash screen. Okay, so this is the code. You can look, if you look at it, you see that it is that, like I said, look at it, the that, DART, which is Flutter. So it's showing you the code as it is writing it. Okay, so it's giving us that an update that it will take 10 to 20 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes to build as per our request. So I'll build a well-researched, well-designed, well-written and functional solution each time. Okay. You can choose to follow them. See the code. You switched from preview to code. You can see this is the directory. The leave team app underscore team dot that. These are the integrations. Okay. Thing. All right. Notice something at the top left of this. It calls our game War Legends. That's because we didn't give it our own name. All right. So that's pretty good. We allow it. Keep building. All right, notice one of the screens are ready or is ready. That is the battle screen, which I believe is the main engine of this game where they'll be fighting. All right. So let's keep waiting. Okay. Main hub menu is ready. Level selection is ready. Okay. So almost done. Almost done. Just 2 screens remaining. 4 screens have been built. Which means that we are not limited to these 6 screens. Of course, our game should not end in just 6 screens. There's need to build more screens. That is where you may want to patronize a pro account. Still building. Okay. All right. I think our game is almost ready. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's loading. So let's read this. Added more immersive splash screen with military themed animations. Okay. And real initialization sequence. Implemented main menu hub with tab navigation, level progress tracking, and game mode selection. Created tactical gameplay interface with HUD, mini-map, combat controls, and haptic feedback. Haptic feedback, okay? All right, these are the files. About 23 files have been created. That is, regarding, I'm talking in terms of the code, okay? All of them ends with DART, that's the programming language. Okay, level node, level connection. Wow, this is good. This is good. This is great. Splash screen, in-game store. Okay, purchase modal widget, store item card, featured carousel, currency header, player profile. Okay, leaderboard, friend activity, start card, achievement card, profile header, main menu, continue campaign. All right, achievement list, game mode, level progress, level selection, that, level context, level detail, level connection. All right, let's see the preview. It's loading. Now, we were given option to build 6 screens out of 8 screens. So I decided to choose the first 6, being that the last 2, even though they are important, but they are not really There are things I can do without for a start. All right. This is on a tutorial to teach people how to onboard the game on the game. Then this is for settings and preference. All right. So I can do without those two for a start. That's why I didn't select them. Okay, our preview is generating. We're almost done. It's generating. Let's see what Rocket.New offer us. All right, see the interface. This is good. This is good. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Sorry. Okay. Recent achievements, first victory. Okay. Uh, it's at the game mode, Major General. It's in level 2. Okay. Notification. Okay. This is like the stats statistics. This is the user. Okay. Okay. Let's click this deploy now to see. Oh, right, right. All right. So this should be the what was it called? Those of you that love game, you really appreciate this. This is the game battle screen. Okay. How do I even play it? Okay, so I need to take time to understand the rules of this game that I've built. But this is to show you what's possible with Rocket.New. All right, Rocket is actually a very accurate platform. When I say accurate, there are some platforms that tell you to do this, and it does something else. One of them is Lovable. Lovable is good with interface, but when it has to do with backend, it doesn't give you that accuracy the way it should. All right. But here we have a platform that can give you exactly what you want. I pause the game and go to settings. We didn't build settings and do retreat. Okay. All right. So this is what we've been able to build. It's actually something that you can play right now if you know how to play it. All right. But I'm not really a game person. All right. Artillery strike, a strike. Okay. Reinforcements. Okay. Okay. There's definitely how to play this thing. Okay, there's definitely how to play it. Let me see. Write me. Let me come back to this. Write me the step by step guideline on how to play this game. War Legends. Okay, getting started. So these are instruction. And notice that the timer is counting. The game will soon be over. I've not killed anybody. That's not because it's not working. It's because I don't know how to play it yet. I'm trying to get the instruction. All right, so I will have to sit down and learn how to play it. Of course, this what I've just gotten right now, this tutorial, this guideline is what you can also put to guide your users on how to play. You can turn it to a video, can create a video with this as your script and use it to guide users on how to play. All right, so that somebody will not download it and they don't know what to do. Like right now, I don't know what to do, how to play it. But from the look of things, yeah, I think it's something that is working already. All right, so this is what they're saying. Main menu navigation. Let me start from open, complete the initial tutorial to learn basic controls. Choose your starting difficulty level. Okay, then we are past that place. This is the actual battlefield. Okay, so as a view and upgrade your weapons. Access story mode with progressive levels. Quick combat scenarios. View and upgrade your weapons to equipment. Profile, check stats, achievement, and level progress. All right, battles, battle controls, movement, swipe, or use veteran. This, I think this will really be cool when I take it to, when I put it on this for, when I put it on my mobile device, right? A bit difficult to play it. This for Android, this is Samsung. Difficult to play it on my computer right now. If you want to launch this, you click on here, you take it to the web if you want, but that will not make sense. This is the link of this application, right? But the best thing is to take it to your mobile app. You click this to build an APK. You want to learn it or launch it in Android. All right, they are still working on the iOS one-click launch, all right? But with this, I can build an APK, but they're asking me to upgrade. Of course, this upgrade is justifiable. They have helped me build, all right? Oh, I've been defeated. My game was playing, I didn't know. So I can choose to retry or exit. All right, so what I will do is I will download it and take time to study how to play it, all right? So that is that for this lesson. You can build an APK where you upgrade it to a paid plan. All right, and with that, you'll be able to download it. Let me see if I can move it to GitHub. Let me see if there's GitHub integration. All right, so there is no GitHub so there is no GitHub integration right here. So it's just to pay them and get it download it, or publish it directly to your store. All right, so that is that. Well, let me check the code. I'm just seeing how I got. Okay, good, 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 good. All right, so this is it. This is what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for. Um, I can push to GitHub. It still requires a paid plan. Wow. I can download it. Let me see. It still requires a paid plan, but I can be copying the code if I want to. But that's not cool. That's serious work to be copying code file by file, and you now go to your IDE and create the same file structure in your web cursor, and you continue building. All right, so this iOS. So this is web and this is Android. You can build for those three platforms, the same code base. All right, so if you click the launch, remember there's a link here, which you can take this one and publish to your Netlify. All right, this is Netlify. It is okay, so it's still opened. It opened as mobile. I was thinking it would open as a web application. So it is primarily for mobile application, primarily. All right, but this is what we've been able to build. I think it's really cool. All right, which of course, like I always say, There are tools that can help you extend this further, but you must be able to download the code. Of course, Rocket requires that you pay them first before you can download this code. All right, so that is that for this particular tutorial. See you in the next lesson.